Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Techno. Standing on the editor of this channel. Let's start our video. So guys, in the previous video, there I uploaded two tricks. One to upload the video on YouTube and second to screen record. But I had many questions in my social media that I cannot say the screen recorder trick very clearly. So I made this video to make it clearly. First, refresh your settings and search customize control. When you click on it, it will show something like this. I arranged here, but I will remove it to show you. So when you are opening it first time, it will be in the bottom like this, and when you press on plus sign, it will go up, and when it go up, you should know that it is in your control center. This circle and circle is a screen recording icon from which you can screen record on iPhone 6 and 7. So guys, this much for today. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates of our channel.